Introduction to Manufacturing class is going to be testing their food-based 3D printers. And so the competition today is to design a fully mechanical, no electronics-based 3D printer that can print food, in this case Nutella, onto a graham cracker substrate. And so the competition is going to be to see who can print the UH logo with the greatest degree of fidelity to what you see. So look forward to seeing what our students have come up with. Should be a very exciting, messy, and delicious time.
Our printer was very simplistic. We just used a nozzle pen to get the H shape that we wanted and an extrusion tower. We had some issues too, but we came over it, and that's the main part.
We went with a very simple design after kind of like a foosball table. We used gravity with weights to auto extrude while we used the rods to control how our nozzle extrudes.
We tried to get as simplistic as possible so that we can streamline our manufacturing. We did pretty good on our print. There were some hiccups as in our nozzle was a little bit bigger. Once we get that down, I think with our hydraulic delivery system, I think it would have been a lot better.
We decided to go with a traditional looking 3D printer. Our design has two inputs, one X, one Y, and we tried to make the extruding part for the Nutella function by itself without us having to need to push it down.
It's based roughly off a Pusha design, where we have a frame that holds our syringe and then the bed moves to draw the design. And since the design can be customizable, you can use it for whatever your heart can design.
Based off of a pantograph style printer. It's an old style tracing tool, and we created the UH logo. It looks pretty good. It's based off a Delta printer, if you've seen one of those. This printer can go in the X, Y, Z direction and pretty much have a full range of motion just off the nozzle itself. And you can print either by using a stencil or by doing it free-handed, so you can do it multiple ways.
Operation. It's a gearbox that translates different ratios into linear motion using bevel gears and screws.
This is our 3D printer. Basically, we have an arm system which has a rod connected to it, and we followed a stencil, and we had a syringe that we pushed Nutella out of to print our gravity.